you're experiencing low performance in Red Dead Redemption 2, there are several steps you can take to improve your gaming experience. Follow these steps to optimize your performance. Step 1. Adjust graphics settings. Lower the graphics settings in the game menu. Start by reducing options such as texture quality, shadow quality, and anti-aliasing. This can significantly improve frame rates. Step 2. Update drivers. Ensure that your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website, NVIDIA, AMD, etc. to download and install the latest drivers, which can enhance performance and fix bugs. Step 3. Close background applications. Before launching the game, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This frees up system resources and can help the game run smoother. Step 4. Check system requirements. Verify that your PC meets the minimum system requirements for Red Dead Redemption 2. If your hardware is below the recommended specs, consider upgrading components like RAM or the graphics card. Step 5. Optimize game files. Use the game's built-in optimization tools or third-party software to clean up and defragment game files. This can help improve load times and overall performance. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in the performance of Red Dead Redemption 2. Enjoy your gaming experience.